Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Want to thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on. That way you can get alerted anytime a cool new walkthrough video is online. Just like this 250 Sea Ray SDX outboard. Climb on board and let's get this party started. I know we start a lot of these walkthrough videos back here at the engine, but how can you not? Just look at how beautiful this new design by Mercury is. All new V8 250 Verado, naturally aspirated engine, plenty of horsepower on the back of this boat. A very common misconception with these boats when you put an outboard on the back of them is that you lose all that space for play. In reality, that's not the case. Look at all this room back here on this aft deck. And then once you move this forward, we've got a really great social zone back here. Of course, when we show off these sun decks, we're always talking about the seating and the storage. But let's focus on the number of areas there are to have a cocktail on this boat. Siobhan, thanks for pointing this out last week. 7. There is 7 places to enjoy a cold cocktail out on the water, except for the driver's seat, because we got to practice safe boating. A lot of these times we will spec out the boats that we order without electronics already on board. Not the case here. We've got a Simrad 7-inch unit, multi-function, pretty much plug and play. Hop on the boat, go have some fun. When Sea Ray redesigned the 250 SDX last year, they did reinvent the wheel a little bit with the downstairs compartment. Your typical bow rider is going to have a center walkthrough. On a 250, you're going to walk around the side, and that allows you for all this room down below for a head, and also plenty of storage too. Hop on down there, take a look. Hanging out up here on the bow, you can really see why this is a place to be. Spread out your legs, have your closest companion here by your side, plenty of cup holders, plug in your USB, get the tunes cranking. This is a bow rider to the next level. What are you waiting for? Grab your kids, grab some friends, let's splash this boat in the water and get out. I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I look forward to hearing from you and getting you and your family and friends on your next dream boat for this summer 2019 season. See you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in.